to record how I do my breakfast. I am having an off day today, so we're not going in the office. We have a snow day, so the kids are home, and so hopefully you're not hearing any noise on the background, but I wanted to show you how and what I do when I prep my breakfast, and some ideas on what you may be able to do with your breakfast, and trying to eat healthy. So stay tuned.
So as you can see, this is what my breakfast looks like when I am done with this breakfast demo. Delicious, healthy, tasty. So I do like to have a cup of green tea with my lemon in it, so stay tuned. So this is what we're going to be using. We're going to be using an onion and spinach, and as you can see we have 2 eggs, and I like to add sweet peppers and tomatoes in my mix, and then I like lemon and lime in my green tea. Of course, my salt and pepper as always in moderation, and then your honey. I like the organic brand, and I love to have grapefruit with my breakfast, and the green tea, which is tasteful, and my multigrain bread. So now this is what we're using in the egg mixture for our omelet, and voila, this is what you get when you dice everything up. Nice, tasteful, colorful. This is a healthy way of eating. I will add my salt and pepper to my omelet, and once this is done, I'll go ahead and place this on my griddle so that it can cook, and the color is just gorgeous. I like my eggs well done. Once you're done, this is what it looks like. Beautiful, delicious, healthy. And I like to have my green tea alongside with my lemon honey, and sometimes I will add my turmeric mixture in there. I just cut up my grapefruit and add my toast, and this is what you end up with. I hope you enjoyed this video. So as always, thanks for watching. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. I hope this was very helpful in reference to you getting healthy. Let me know how you do your omelet. Oh, and yes, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified when a new video is posted. And as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye.